guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today's video is going to be a quick hitter. I'm going to share with you guys how to do this little low, embracing your mini bun life ponytail, working with what you got in this super natural, I'm not wearing any makeup look. This is a go-to for me, especially on the weekend when I'm just like, oh, I'm just going to go out a little. I just want a little spruce on the face. You know what I'm saying? It's not really about like pictures. It's more just about in real life giving your skin a little glow, a little zhuzh, and embracing our cute little buns, y'all. If you're team, I have a small bun, put your hand in the air right now. My earrings are clacking. Do you love them though? Zara, 20 bucks. Sometimes I don't want to spend $20 on a pair of earrings, but I really loved these, so I said, screw it. I'm getting them. All right, guys, let's get into it. Okay, so I previously started out with my hair in a ponytail because it was stretched out. I created my side part first, and then I divided my hair into two sections in the front, and I have my one section in the back. Whew. Oh my god. This stuff smells like heaven, y'all. Oh my gosh. Wow. I like the way it feels too. Anytime I put my hair in a ponytail, and I'm going to be putting like a lot of gel and all that stuff, I juice up on the serums and deliciousness. It's one of the times that I actually really do put oils in my hair, because then I know I'm kind of going to be approaching a wash day, but I don't try to put like super heavy oils in there on a day-to-day. Wow. Yo, I underestimated this. The branding is kind of white, so I just didn't feel like it would be nice in my hair, to be honest, but it feels amazing. And I should know better because there's a lot of amazing products that are just not marketed towards us. However, they work amazing in our hair, but we wouldn't know because we're not their target demographic, you know what I'm saying? In the mirror with Makiba is what we're gonna call this, okay? Because I would love to share more with you guys, but to be honest, when I be trying to film with a backdrop or just like in a sit-down camera in front of me with a tiny mirror situation, it doesn't work. So, welcome. I've divided that up. I've got my like side part happening. I'm gonna use this Active gel for my first layer. And my hair was flat ironed a while ago. So this is the remnants of that. As you can see, like it's obviously reverting. Get my hard brush. Cars passing by. It's like you're at my house right now, y'all. Y'all came over. Come over. Slight tilt back. Get all those hairs underneath there. Alright, we got stage one of our low pony. Let's get more of this serum. Oh my gosh, I think I just found a new fave, bruh. And the reason too, I usually re-up or go in on the oils is because if I'm going to be putting something harsh on my hair, like a gel, yes, a gel can be drying. It can cause damage. Not the kind of damage that you're gonna be like, oh my god, the one time I used gel, I'm screwed. No, not like that. It takes a toll on your hair, generally speaking. So I like to put that layer of something greasy and slippery to protect it. Our next layer on there. I'm gonna try to make this part as small as possible because this part of my hair is the problem area. Right here, it's like denser, it's harder to slick into a pony. This was definitely an impromptu video, y'all. I did not plan on filming this right now, but I said, why not? I'm not gonna even bother trying to swoop this on my actual face like I did back in high school because one, those little problem hairs that I have there, y'all, are so annoying because they're so much shorter and it's like right at my hairline. And for some people they would just turn those into baby hair, but with my type of hair it's just too kinky to try to camouflage as baby hair, because if it reverts it just looks really, you know, you have like this little halo at the front. Okay, approaching our last piece here. I can't tell you the last time I did a side part. It feels really weird actually. Let's see if I'll even like this in the end. I might hate it. Okay, maybe I have to drop this a little bit. Just a little bit. Alright, let's brush her in this last piece here. And I think I hate it. I'm not like a big baby hair person, so I feel like this hairstyle like is cuter with baby hair, but I'm definitely a sideburns person though. These are the hairs right here, y'all, that will just revert back on me anyway. Let's just stick with our sideburn now. Okay. Just gonna lock that in with another hair tie. Alright. Where the sandy strip at? If it's not doing what you want, sometimes you just have to add a little water. Get one more layer. My biggest thing is like right now I feel like everyone's trying to subscribe to the exact same edges. We don't all have flat straight edges, and we don't all have long ass baby hairs, and we don't all have big foreheads that can suit it either. Work with that edge. Ow! Work with the edge you've been given. My go-to brow pencil is done and it hurts. I'm just using this one. The other one I use actually is from Revlon too, but it's just a different technique. But I'm not doing like a full face or anything today. Just a little Saturday high. I don't want to look as homeless as I normally do kind of vibe, you know? I'm desperate right now. I have to go today to find something. However, if you absolutely love the shape of your brows already and just want something to like lightly darken them, this is for you, because they'll be looking like hair pieces with this thing. It's like a turn top. Product comes out, I like to dab it off, and then yeah, you just brush it in. It's really good for just filling in what you already have going on. There's a little Black Radiance concealer under there. Just clean it up and make it look like I tried a little harder than I did. And lately I've been killing this hazelnut Too Faced foundation. A little touch up here and there. This Makeup Forever powder here. Steady mix set. And then I use a lighter powder under my eye. Like, as you can see, it's in a lovely bag because it broke on me. It's the Black Radiance one. Especially for a day where like today where I'm not really like gonna like contour and highlight per se. I'm just kind of using a powder underneath my eye area that's just a little bit lighter. It gives me like the illusion of dimension. Another Black Radiance product. I definitely use a lot of Black Radiance. Give ourselves a little Just. Oh, hey girl, I'm still alive and well. This Becca highlighter is everything. It's shattered as well, which is very sad. Now it means I like can't really travel with it, so I just put that on lightly. I hope this is even transcending on camera. I have no idea, guys, no idea. A little down my nosy. We're just gonna do a little liner. Not gonna wing it too much, or too much, whatever, I don't know. I try to go for less liner sometimes, and it's just, it never works out that way. You know what I mean? It's always a thing. I need to re-up right now. My situation, I have a lot of stuff that I don't use regularly, and I'm missing the stuff that I like using. So I usually opt for lashes, but I'm hanging out with Daniel today, and he doesn't love a lash. So sometimes I'm like, okay, I'm gonna do no lashes. He'll never be like, can you not wear those? But I know deep down inside he prefers my natural lashes, so sometimes I try to, you know, do it for him. But that primer, I had this L'Oreal primer that was amazing, and I don't have it right now because I left my makeup bag in the Dominican Republic. And let me tell you, my makeup bag was lit, guys. It was the perfect makeup travel bag. Everything had everything I needed, condensed down, perfect sizing, everything. Okay, let's give ourselves a little flush. Just a little toot 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 on the inside there. Toot 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 toot. A little bit of blend it out from those inner corners. Girl, are you wearing makeup today? No, no, I'm not. It's just soft, you know what I mean? Are we cooked under here? Is this dry yet? I feel like we need a little drier heat. I love the serum, so I'm just gonna slap a little more. Just like a little like extra shine on top. Ooh, okay. We got our itty bitty fun life happening. Hold it down, girl. Own it. Yes. Now I'm gonna put on my big earrings and my shirt. Okay, guys. This is my look today. Little trick, if your shirt is crushed and you don't have an iron on you, like you're traveling or whatever, throw out the blow dryer. Okay guys, that is all for today. Thanks for tuning in and hanging out and kicking it with your girl. Don't forget to hit subscribe to join the tribe. It's lit, it's where you want to be. And let me know guys if you want more of these quick hitter videos that I can share with you guys, because this right here formula was actually pretty easy for me, so I feel like I could do this on the reg. So let me know if you want moments in the mirror with Makiba. Alright guys, I love you and I'll see you in my next video. Namaste!
Whispered that she don't drink, said the sheet rolling. Hope I don't think that just that we smoke that I'm gon' hit. I'm like, what you think's a think, what you want. She had me a think.